Welcome to the channel. It's good to be here. Guess what? I finally made it. I am at Arlanda International Airport in Sweden, and guess what? I am excited like a little girl in a candy shop. I can't wait. I'm so happy, despite the fact that, as you can see on my coat there, the snow is drizzling, but the weather is not gonna deter me my mission, so I have to accomplish my mission. So without further much ado, welcome to the channel and enjoy this video. Ta-da! That's where I am. It's happening. I made it. Oh, guess what? You see that blue jumbo jet get there? That jumbo jet, that's the one. It's called the Jumbo Say. It's just right beside the Arlanda airport. So let's go in. Wow. Really need to jog on this one. So there's another sign there, says Jumbo Cave. There is the jumbo jet. It is freezing. Oh, there's lots of things to do for me here. Where is it? Oh, it disappeared. It disappeared in the skies. I can do also plane spotting. Whilst here, I can watch the planes coming in, landing. Wow. This is the place. This is where I'm going to sleep. And guess what? Tonight, I am gonna be the captain. From the general straight to the captain. I am the captain of this big plane. I'm not gonna talk much about this, but this is another, it's actually a room. You can actually book this one, this wing. They converted it into hotel accommodation. And as you can see, there's another one, this one here. It's also accommodation. And if you can see across there's the planes there. That's Arlanda International Airport there. So I've got loads to do. I don't think I'm gonna walk right around the plane at this moment. I will do that another video because it is freezing. I'm just gonna go straight into it to do my check-in. As you can see, you can also do another booking there. Those are another rooms. Wow. So tonight, that's where I am going to be. I am going to be in the cockpit. Wow. Let's go inside. I'm really excited, to be honest. Oh, time for an upgrade. Breakfast is served from 3 a.m. Free shuttle bus every 15 minutes across the street. We serve ready meals, sandwich, coffee, snacks. Time for an upgrade. That's the same thing I've been reading. Let's jump in. Wow. So this is the reception, and if you can see that other bus doing the shuttles, it's going to the airport. When you arrive here, you just punch in your code. I'm not gonna show you. And I am inside the jumbo. Wow, I can't hide my excitement, to be honest. So if you can read, this is the 747, and it's called the Jumbo Stay Stockholm. So this is where you put on your shoes when you come in. But today the guy said, since you are the general, since you are the captain of the day, he let me to walk in with my shoes. So I feel the privilege. I'm very much privileged. This I will talk about it on another day, and all this I just want to go straight into it. And before you go on, as you can see, it's only the crew member, only staff and guests who have booked the cockpit suite. So I am the captain, so I have the privilege to go on. Oh, what am I doing? Before I even go there, I'm forgetting to get the second key. The key to my room. The key box is there, and as usual, I'm not going to show you. Okay, I'm not going to show you the key. And inside is my name and my key. So there we go. Now the time to go on straight to my accommodation. And I'm told as well, each time when you go out or come up, make sure you put up that sign so that no one comes in. Okay, so I put up the sign. This is the way. Wow, I'm super excited to be here. Welcome upper deck first class. That's me. That's me. I don't know which one to show you first. My mother told me to choose this one, but I would like to choose this one. Ta-da! Okay, I will start with the bedroom. That's the cockpit. Imagine I am in the cockpit. There, that's the original picture of the cockpit. Let's add on some light. That's the cockpit. That's the bedroom. This is where I'm going to sleep tonight. Wow, I like the arrangement. And as you have noticed, I think it's the thing with the Swedish people. They always put these duvets like a single. They made their beds like a single beds. Even if it's a they make it into a double bed, but the bedding, they always put one duvet on the other side, one duvet on the other side. And yeah, that's pretty much nice. I like the arrangement. And as you'll be walking in, that's for the lights. And I can see here as well, that's the pouch for the remote. Trying to, let me just switch on the telly to add a little bit of extra light as well. Wow, wow, wow. This is the actual thing I'm telling you. So I jump straight, open the curtains. Wow. So this is me today inside the cockpit. Wow. This is massive. This is extra massive. I'm telling you. I am the captain. Tonight I am the captain. Wow. All the gears, everything belongs to me tonight. This is actually the yoke. The captain is about to take off. Hello. This is Captain General Mahlunge. Fasten your seat belt. The plane is about to take off. We are going to be flying at an attitude of cruising at the attitude of enjoying life in the cockpit. Okay, prepared to. So now I am about to go. Taking off. Wow. I can't believe I'm in the jumbo jet 747. I can't hide my excitement. It has been my dream coming here and actually having the chance to enjoy this one of a lifetime. Wow. And everything is still real. They managed to keep everything in real, and every button, the flaps are still working. Flip down, stub trim, cut. Wow. Nose down, park brake, the speed brake, the trim. I'm still I can't resist the edge of just keeping on going to hold on to the yoke. And I'll be looking at this. Is exactly the view the captains will be seeing when they are flying this machine. And I am very privileged because tonight the whole cockpit is gonna be all to myself, all to the general. Wow. In a moment I'll be turning the camera so that you can also have a view of how the inside of the cockpit really looks like from close view. I just wanted to first have my experience, my excitement. Wow. I really enjoying this. And each time when if I want any other close amenities, I'll just go to the go across, use the shuttle bus to go to the airport launches. It's because of that raining, you're not able to see clearly. Those are all the aeroplanes there. That's the Ayanda airport there. So as you can see, is the real cockpit with the two yokes there. I am the captain, and that one is for my co-pilot. So whatever happens here can also happen there. This what I've been talking about, flaps. I always see the pilots doing that. Why that's the increase the thrust. Flight detent, green band select. Wow, it must be very difficult to become a pilot, to be honest, because you imagine you have to know all this. Look at the dashboard. I can't even tell which one is which here. Since I have got all night, I am going to enjoy. I will come back later on to just have a look of each and everything here and try and Google some of the things. Imagine flow supply on, emergency on, off, oxygen normal, and they all know all this. Wow. That's Radisson Blue there just across, and I am all up here. Wow. Okay, enough of the cockpit. I think I have shown everything here. It has been like snowing, so I don't know how best I can clean the windshield. I really wanted to show you the actual view I'm getting here from up here. It's massive. This is massive. Now I've opened the curtains to review the cockpit and my bedroom. Oh, I forgot even to look at all these buttons up there. I'm telling you, it should be very difficult to become a pilot. How do they manage to know each and every button now? What's the use, how it works? That's why they take time there when they say to do the flight checks before the plane takes off. Wow, this is massive. This is the only downside here. I think they should have just tried to tidy up this. I'll just tidy it up, try and tidy it up. Yeah, that looks better. I know, because mostly maybe some other guests will come in and they will be just tampering with everything. But now it looks much better. So that's my ceiling of my cockpit and my bedroom. So tonight is the night I'll be sleeping in the cockpit. And to my right here, wow, this is the bathing area. Look how clean it is. Well, everything in the spare tissue there. Let's see how clean it is. Wow, very clean. And the shower, I like the shower part. Oh, before I go, let me just wash my hands. I just touched it up. Look at the shower. And look at the big size, the size of the mirror. I can see myself. And you can have the two of you here. You can actually fit. Oh! And besides the chamber, they still kept that window. And you can see the outside there, the Arlanda airport, with all those planes, the DHL, the Alps. Well maintained though. I like the cleanliness. Look at the floor. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so that's, and look at the space. The jumbo jet, that's why it's called a jumbo. It's very big, I tell you. So I come out, that's the cockpit. Now, when I was saying, my mother told me, I didn't know which way to show you first. Look at the space. And I'm going to talk about that other side in a minute. All this is all for myself tonight. So this is the first class lounge. If you have never been in a 747, this is how the 747 looks like. Wow, that's the lounge. First class lounge. Imagine you can bring your friends here. You can even have your own party, or you can bring your missus here. You can have all this to yourselves, just the two of you. And they provided the coffee machine as well, the water glasses, the Wi-Fi password is still there. I'm just not gonna show it, but it's there. The windows, this was like a 70 and a window, see, I 71, 72, 73. Wow, this is massive. This is beautiful. I don't know, this one, maybe you can use this one as an extra bed as well. Yeah, you can have this one as an extra bed. Wow. I imagine I forgot, I should have gone with this. That's my water. That's the 747. I should have been reading this in the cockpit, like my checklist, the history. Because actually this plane was like first owned by the Pan Am. Yeah. Wow, look at all that history. Tonight I will have loads and loads of things to do. I'll be reading all these. Imagine that's the actual cockpit where I was just then. This is beautiful. And whilst I'm doing that, you can see my channel there. I've been saying this about my channel, my channel. If you see, that was me not being unprofessional there. If you check on my videos there. But anyway, everything, you start from somewhere. They also do provide the radio. I don't know what this Fat Boy is for. Probably just for you to relax as well. Wow. I will be enjoying myself. And if you have following my my channel, I do like reality. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't like editing. Oh, they have got some spare mattresses there, so you can book this and bring your friends, and you have the time of your life in Team 60. All this There's too much stuff to take in here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So I will be like watching my channel there whilst I'm seated. Wow. So imagine mid-air sitting. Must be been very comfy. I like it. Oh, the tray actually this still works. And if the extra tray there. I don't know how to flip. Seems to work. I don't know. I don't know how to work it. Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. So I am not going to do the outside. This first video, I just wanted to show the inside of the jumbo jet and my accommodation, where I'll be sleeping. And so yes, I will be coming to do another video, maybe later on or tomorrow morning, showing the outside, the wing, and walking around underneath the plane. But this was the real inside, and as you can see, I'm really chilled out, relaxed, and super excited. It's something that is needed to have this one time of experience in life, to experience this, especially if you manage to bring your loved ones, your missus, your girlfriend, your wife, your family. It's nice experience to be really this close, up and close, with the 747, the queen of the skies. I'm going to enjoy myself here. So it's bye bye for now. I'll see you in the next episode, next video. If you like what I'm doing, please just give me a subscribe, and it helps me a lot into doing more like these videos. Thank you for now. Bye bye.